Hey, this will be a video chart on UNQT. I actually had this one brought to my attention on Friday when this initial volume surge came in, but I wanted to see just what kind of follow through today came, just because in the past, there's been some volume days where a good example right here, nice volume came in, and then the following day, there was actually an increase in volume, but the price didn't do anything. Same here, nice volume increase, but the next day, price didn't do anything. However, today's different because obviously there was the volume on Friday, like I said, and then today bigger volume came in. That's not what's different, but what's different is the price actually made an upwards movement. So maybe there's something more to it, unlike these other times where the price or where the volume has come in, but then the following day, despite the volume, whether or not it was bigger, the price action didn't do anything. So that's what really caught my eye. And of course, the other thing that caught my eye would just simply be the price was able to get above and close above this resistance level here, which was a 50-day simple moving average valued at 0003. So I just want to point out a few things that I'll be keeping an eye on, and just to answer the questions about what really should you be looking for. So the first thing to point out is, well, I should say this is a 000 stock, and if you look at stocks, that one comes to mind, BBDA, great example of how these types of stocks can really get running. Now, am I saying that that's what's going to happen with this one? Hopefully, but that's no guarantees, obviously. But these 000 stocks seem to be picking up a little bit more in popularity, and they really can get moving fast. So that's why I wanted to do this one along with the questions. But back to the chart, the one resistance that really is sticking out right now, I think, is the 0005 right here. You can see a bunch of highs, so that'll be the first level of resistance. So we'll get this changed here to red, and then after that, really, the interesting thing is, looks like it would skip right over the 0006 as a resistance, because then the next one, where there's a bunch of previous highs, is not until up here at 0007. Now you may be thinking, well, what's the big deal to just skip over 0006 and go straight to 0007? Well, remember, we're talking about a 000 stock, so the percentages add up extremely quickly. So sure, that's just one little increment, you could say, but when you're looking at it from a percentage standpoint, it does make a big difference. So keep that in mind. And then this is where 0007 is kind of the launch point, if you will, where the resistance levels really begin to thin out, and the next one isn't until up here at this previous high, which is at 001, which is both a technical and then kind of no surprise because it is always a psychological one anyway. So that would be the next level of resistance. I'm not going to go any further than that. We'll see how the price reacts, but these are going to be the next three levels of support or resistance. And then support, it's just on these 000s, you just want to see it start to build a stair pattern. So right now 0003 is going to be the key level that you want to see the price begin to build its new stair steps at. So that'll be the key level of support. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. So I'd encourage you to go to the website. We're making some good money together, so check it out, sign up, and give it a try. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going forward with it. I'm curious on what your thoughts are. Again, this was UNQT. Thanks for listening.